Installation and usage tutorial for the M7-S recline shampoo chair. The shampoo basin and the shampoo bed are packed separately. Remove the 4 screws on the back of the shampoo basin, which include the hot and cold water hose and the drain outlet. After completing the water connections, attach the basin to the bed. Tighten the 2 screws to fix the remote control holder. Then place the remote into the holder. Lift the calf section, connect the power cable, and turn on the power. Press on or off to start the shampoo bed. The back reclines automatically while the leg rest rises. Press auto to enter automatic massage mode. The back and legs will start massaging simultaneously. Massage intensity supports 3 levels of adjustment. The airbag intensity also supports 3 levels of adjustment. Press and hold to recline the back. Press and hold to raise the back. Shampoo bowl installation. Water fittings installation. Tighten and secure the buckle located at the bottom of the shampoo device. Connect the water inlet and fasten it with wire. Attach the water pipe to the motor and secure it again with wire. Connect the power cable and charge before use. Display of the assembled water fittings. Product voltage and power.